In this video, we are going to go over how to edit a user's communication channel settings as a supervisor. The first step is to select the Manage Users option in the menu bar. You will find a table with all the users. Click on the user that you would like to edit their communication channel for. You must go to the Channel tab. Here you will find all the communication channels assigned to this agent. If you'd like to edit or enable or disable, you can do that here as well. You can also change the task capacity. Once you're done, you can click on Save Changes to update the information. Set task capacity is an option where you can select how many interactions an agent receives at one time. In this case, it can be from messaging up to 4 chats, and in voice usually it's only 1 phone call.